Hello, and welcome to this brief tour of the latest enhancements to IBM Digital Analytics, part of IBM Watson Customer Experience Analytics. These updates are as of the May 2018 release. I'm Rob Hain. I, my colleague Aubrey Rupp, and the entire IBM Watson Marketing Offering Management team would like to thank you for being an IBM customer. First, let's look at the features we released in May. Very frequently, we've heard how useful it would be to allow standard reports or best practice reports to be copied into ad hoc or custom workspaces. This means that you can now have a single workspace that intermingles ad hoc reports with standard reports. Using this feature, you can create workspaces that represent a more complete analytical view of a particular topic. No longer do you have to navigate between a custom workspace and a standard best practice report. To do this, navigate to the best practice report you want to copy. From the Reports menu, select Copy Report, and then select a workspace. From within the workspace, you can work with the report as you normally would. It's what we call a reference copy of the report, not a separate one. Because of this, any changes made to the report are reflected everywhere the report appears. You can add a segment using the segment modal. You can create a view. You can also favorite a view, making it the view of the report that loads automatically every time the report loads. This capability adds a significant amount of flexibility to your workspaces. Next, we come to custom marketing channels. We've discussed custom marketing channels in the past as they were released previously. However, in May, we updated custom marketing channels to enhance their performance. We also migrated custom marketing channels from the previous user interface. To work with custom marketing channels, navigate to Analytics, Admin, Marketing Channels. Here you can create new channels and edit existing ones. The workflow is very similar to the previous custom marketing channels workflow. In this case, we'll select a channel, edit, make our changes, and then select Save. Changes take effect immediately and they are retroactive. Looking at backdated reports will also show the changes reflected immediately. GDPR is first on many customers' minds, customers from all parts of the globe. We, as data processor for our customers, have been making it as easy as we can for our customers to comply with GDPR requests from their users. Under the right to deletion, users, also known as data subjects, may submit requests to our customers, the data controllers, for deletion. To forward such a request to IBM for processing, please open a case with support. In response, IBM will execute processes that delete the information from both raw and processed data. We've also enhanced our role-based access controls to better allow customers to determine who has access to personal data. By default, any data from registration tags are assumed to be personal data. We've also given customers the ability to flag tag attributes as containing personal data. Flagging personal data has been made part of the tag attribute aliasing user interface. Restricting users from access to personal data can be done by submitting a support case. We do have plans to streamline this process in upcoming releases. Now let's look at some operational changes we've made to better support you, our users, and to better receive feedback you have for us. First, you may have already seen that we now have a new support portal. This portal can be found at www.ibm.com/mysupport, and the links in both Legacy and Next Generation Digital Analytics, or the new UI, have been updated. The new portal uses IBM ID for authentication. IBM ID is the single sign-on solution we're adopting across the portfolio. If you don't already have an IBM ID, you can visit myibm.ibm.com, or you can contact support for more information. Once you've logged in, you can locate the products you use. You can also open and manage support cases or tickets. We trust that this new process will be a better experience for you, and we look forward to receiving your feedback. Finally, speaking of feedback, we value hearing from you very much. And to those of you who have provided feedback in the past, thank you. Your input helps us to prioritize the work that we do. In keeping with that, we've introduced another way for you to provide direct feedback to us. After logging into Digital Analytics, you may be presented with an opportunity to provide a rating and some comments. If time allows, we would appreciate your participation and your comments very much. As always, there have also been several optimizations to the underlying performance of our tools. We trust that these enhancements will make for a significantly more valuable user experience for you. Thank you for your time, and thank you again for being an IBM customer.